Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop 101. And as all of you know, I'm Pradhimna Prakash Pujari. I'm the dope boy editor of Hot Cross Buns Productions. And today we are going to teach you how we think at Hot Cross Buns Productions. So obviously you know that we come up with some brilliant ideas sometimes, and that our execution can really be on par with somebody like say James Cameron. And James Cameron is one of our inspirations because he literally made a camera for Avatar even though he had the idea like 20 years ago. And similarly, we made ourselves to be where we are right now, even though we could have done obviously when we were fetuses in our mother's wombs. So, in order to achieve the rationality and the critical thinking level we have at Hot Cross Buns Productions, which every member actually serves as a thinking part of our group, uh, we need to teach you to cultivate the same kind of thinking in you. And that has three essential steps. Step one is you need Photoshop. You see, most people do not have brains. That is why they are unable to think as well as we do. The thing is, we have brains, not one, not two, but one, two, and three. And the advantage of having three brains is that you can really think out of the box because not a lot of people have like three frontal lobes. That kind of creativity just does not come to anybody. However, we can teach you how to cultivate that kind of creativity. You can go to Google Images right now and Google something along the lines of brain, and then you'll get this PNG which I can link up to over here, I'm guessing, somewhere here, if my fingers even in frame, that is. And basically you need to take that PNG and then you need to put it into Photoshop, and then you need to hit Control C, and you need to choose a different location, press Control V, and then you need to do that twice. And now you need to remember that Control C and Control V are not the only ways of getting three brains. You can also download that same image thrice and then put the image, superimpose it upon your forehead. Or instead of using Control C and Control V, you can right click, hit copy, then hit right click, then hit paste. But the problem is that just becomes too painful of a process, and anybody who does not hit Control C and Control V and uses the right click instead is an idiot who is prolonging his dreadful life. Yeah, I guess that is too much. I don't know, man. I think I'm talking about myself too much in these things. Anyway, the second step is actually superimposing those images on your forehead using Photoshop. So as you can clearly see, I edit video using Photoshop, and we will teach you how to edit video using Photoshop in another tutorial some other time. But just remember that all you need to do is take the three brains that you've just control C and control V and put them on your forehead. So currently you can see I have three brains. However, with me, the brains are invisible because I reduce the opacity to zero, because the brains don't really look aesthetic on me. You can do this by going down to the layers option in Photoshop and clicking on the opacity option and then dragging it to the left to reduce it all the way to zero. Some people might like their opacity to be at around 10% so that people can see that they have brains, but not really have it impact their good looks. Because as we all know, somebody who has brains simply does not look as good as this. I mean, how difficult is it to look that good? Of course, that's me. I mean, I've got brains and I'm extremely good looking. But there's very little you can do about that. I've just got ultimate genetics. Right. And the third step you need is to fuel your brain. This is how I fuel my brain. Is this focusing? Is this focusing? I hope it's focusing. Guys, this is Alfonso Amras juice by Paperboat, and it will fuel your brain for 120 rupees. 120 rupees for 250 ml. And I can't believe I got two of these. Can you believe that? I got two of these. Oh my god. I got two of these. Normal mango juice costs 30 bucks for the same quantity. Anyway, putting that aside, this actually has a lot of sugar, and as we all know, glucose can fuel your brains. So actually, one paper boat would normally be enough for one brain, but you need two paper boats here because you have three brains and you need like two times the glucose to supply three times the brain, right? Because that's how math works, right? And now the third step is get a life. You'll see us again at Hot Cross Ones Productions. Get ready for the next episode of PS 101, and we'll see you next time. I really need to stop doing this impromptu.